Uno Teams, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to be the first team to get rid of all the cards in both of their hands. Divide into teams of 2, with your partner sitting across from you so their turn order is an equal number in both directions. You are allowed to talk to your teammate, but you may not talk or drop hints about cards in your hands. Whenever a wild is played, teammates may not say anything that would influence the color chosen. If your partner is down to their last card, you may yell Uno on their behalf. If neither you nor your teammate yells Uno, then the 2 penalty cards are only drawn by the player who had Uno, not both teammates. At the beginning of the game, after the discard pile is formed, each player secretly passes their teammate one of their cards. Cards must be exchanged simultaneously. You cannot look at the card you receive before picking what to give. When you play your last card, then your teammate gives you half of the cards rounded down, remaining in their hand, and you keep playing. If your partner only has 1 card, then they keep it and you stay out of the game. But if they draw any cards, then half of all their cards are immediately given to you, and you're back in the game. Some number cards have a passing symbol on their sides. Whenever you play a card with a passing symbol, you and your teammate must simultaneously and secretly pass each other 1 card. Remember, you may not talk or give hints as to what to pass. The new action cards are Wild Team Play. This is a wild. First, pick any color. Then, play immediately skips to your teammate. If they can play, then they do, and play continues from them in the current direction. If they can't play, then you draw 2 penalty cards, and your partner draws none, and play continues from your partner in the current direction. Wild Team Draw 4. This is a wild. The next player still in the game draws 2 cards and skips their turn. Then, play jumps to that player's teammate, even if that teammate is out of the game, and they draw 2 cards and skip their turn. Play then resumes with the next player after that in the current direction of play. At the end of the round, cards with the passing symbol are worth their face value. Wild Team Play and Wild Team Draw 4 are each worth 50 points.